Beautiful soul. Self-love is the feeling and self-care is the action you take. Self-love is about your accountability to yourself and your happiness. You are accountable for the quality of relationships that surround you. You are accountable for understanding how you want to feel and making it your reality. Only you can take into account your ability to create the life you want. Make all your choices count. Type yes if you needed this and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.